Hello everybody, this is your host Moiz and welcome to my channel Coding with Moiz. And in this video what we are going to do is create this simple looking pop-up form which opens up when we click on a button. So this is a really good form to practice your HTML, CSS and JavaScript skills. So yeah, just let's get started. First of all, what you have to do is come here and create a new folder with name pop-up form, or you can give it any name which you like. Okay, and then just come here and click on open with code. You can use any of your favorite IDE. I personally like to use this Visual Studio VS Code. Okay, so yeah, just come here and create three files named index.html and style.css, and the last one is script.js. You can name it anything, but I used to like these three names. Now just come here and create your HTML boilerplate. Okay, and you can give it any title. I would like to give it pop-up form, and you can link your CSS here using this link tag, and also you can simply link your JavaScript file here. Okay, this is our JavaScript file. Now as you know, all these two files are linked here. Now we will basically come and start writing our code. So first of all, what we are going to write is the basic button code, like the open button for this form. So yeah, just let's go with button dot open dash button, and okay, and we have to give it an ID of open dash button. Okay, I personally like to use classes for styling and ID for our functionality. Okay, and now just come here and write what you want. So I will basically right click me here. What you want to write, you can write what you like to write. Okay, now just click on go live. This is the live server extension in VS Code. If you did not install it, just come to extension tab and this will write live server. Okay, my internet is currently not working, that's why I can't search it here, but it will be like this thing. This is the live server. Okay, you have to install this one. Now after installing this one, you will get this go live button. Now as you can see here, our button is created successfully, and now what we want to do is just come here and start creating our pop-up form from here. First of all, what we want to write is pop-up dash frame, the window that will be the pop-up that will open. Okay, and in this thing what we want to write first is our button for closing. Okay, so write button dot close. Let's go with beginner friendly like button, and then just class close dash btn. Just go with an id let's go with an id of close dash btn, and now just you can write anything here, but I would like to use this thing. You can use the and times. Let me show you. This is also the close button. Again, this is also the close button, but it will probably not good for CSS. So write the X, and now we are going to write our title. So basically, let's just write dot title. Dot pop-up dash title, and in this we will create a h1 tag, and here we will write any title. Let's just go with subscribe my channel. Okay, and now we will go with our description. So just write pop-up dash dsc, and here create a p tag, and just to generate some dummy text you can write Lauren and the number of words you want to generate. So I will go with 50. Then what we want, then after this you can see here the description is created, you can go with popup dash input. Okay, the input tag, and here we will write input double dot and email. Sorry, email. We want the type email, and we will name it email. And the ID is not required here basically, so we will just leave the ID here. Okay, and wait, okay. ID has been removed here. You can also give here a placeholder into your email. Okay, and after this you can come here and write dot popup the exact button you want. Okay, the submit button. So popup dash btn, and here we will write button with the type submit. Okay, we want the button with type submit, and we will write here subscribe or any text you want. Okay, so our HTML is completed. Now we will move to write our CSS. Okay, so I don't want to write CSS because the video will be very long, so I just copied my previous CSS code I used to create this pop-up form. You will get the link of this CSS file in the description. You can go and download this file and just paste it here, or you can just write your own CSS code to design it for yourself. Okay, so I use this CSS here, and now we will move. Let me just show you all how it looks like. Okay, as you can see, this is here. I don't know why this is not going good. Let me just control S, and okay. In CSS we got this thing pop-up frame. Okay, so just rename this class pop-up frame. Okay, now it's good. As you can see, the height class is applied by default. Let me show you. Just give it a class of open, as you can see here. So we got our basic form here. I gave it a z index of 999, as I will show you. I give it a z index of 10. So just come here, and now I will remove this open class. Okay, so by default this is hidden because I use here the display none. As you can see, what we want to do now is I have created these two CSS classes here. As you can see, HTML classes I have added this, and in open the display is blocked. So when open class is applied, the display will be blocked, and height class is applied, the display will be none. Okay, so the CSS has been ended here. Now we will go and write our JavaScript code. So first of all, we want to do is fetch our all these classes. So we will go with pop-up frame and open button and close button. Okay, and let's also give it an ID. Okay, pop-up dash frame. Okay, I give it a class. I give it an ID of pop-up dash frame. Now just come here and create a variable here that will be pop-up frame is equal to document dot get element by ID, and we will paste the ID here. That is that is pop-up dash frame. Okay, use semicolon here. Okay, const open btn is equal to document. I don't know why I can't type this here. Okay, now open button, open dash btn. This is the class. This is the ID of this button. Now just write const close btn is equal to document dot get element by ID, and right here close dash btn. Okay, this is simple. We get these three classes. These three classes in our JavaScript. Now we will use these three classes to edit our HTML. Okay, so first of all we will create a function open frame. We will go with this thing. Okay, and now what we want to do is, like, when we this is a function, so we will get this function to work when we click on our button. Okay, the open button. So we will give it an on click attribute here, and we will write, oh sorry, I don't know what's the problem. Okay, sorry. So open wait, I just forgot the okay, this is the function we want to call when this is clicked. Open frame. Okay, so this function will be called when we click on this. Let's just go with that testing of this thing. So alert clicked. Okay, so when we click on this button, the function will run and we will get this alert. Okay, so we will remove this alert because we just want to check is this working or not. Sorry, my mouse is not working great today. Okay, now just we will do thing. Now what we'll do is just write popup frame and dot class list dot add. Okay, remember this, we will add the class list that will be opened. Okay, and we will now we will remove the class list. Sorry, we will just, you know, we will add the class list open here, and we will add the class list hide to our open button, because when we click on this thing, let me show you all. Popup, sorry, open button, open btn dot class list dot add hide. Now if you click on this, this will be open and the button will be hidden. Let me show you all. The hide class is here, this button. If you click this, the z index is the z index of this form is greater than the z index of that button, so that's why it's being in front of this. Okay, now what we will do is create another function that will be close frame. Okay, and create this function, and now write popup dot, sorry, okay, yeah, it was good. Okay, popup frame dot class list dot remove class list open, sorry, just open, sorry. Okay, remove this class list from here. Let me show you all. Okay, if you click, sorry, we didn't assign this function to the button. Just copy this from here and come to your button, this one, and write an attribute, this one, and add your function there. So just click on this thing, and now if you click on this, this will be hidden. Now we will come here and remove this class list hide from the button, the open button. Okay, so just go with open button dot class list dot remove hide. Okay, we remove this class list. So if you click on this thing, the pop-up form will open up, and if you click on this, the pop-up form will be hidden and you will get this button. Okay, so yeah, that was it in this video, and I will meet you guys in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.